Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to go be meeting a viewer, Trilby, and driving. I'm an Arizona resident with an Arizona driver's license, and I'm behind the wheel. This is just a great day. Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to you about courage. And I had the privilege and the honor and the fun of spending the afternoon with Trilby. We met in town for lunch, and I'm going to be interviewing her soon on this channel and hopefully to Meander. So you guys stay tuned for that, because she is part-time van dweller right now and thinking about going full-time. But one of the amazing things about her too is that she is an amazingly talented artist and painter, and she will be doing a vlog or a blog, maybe both soon, called Trilby the Wandering Artist. And when she gets that live, I'll give you an update and let you know. But she is just an amazing person. She does hike-throughs, and she just got off of a 2-week solo hike in the upper mountains. Can't think of what that's called right now. Sorry, but she just got off of that, and next year she's planning on doing the John Muir Trail, and she will be 78 at that time. She is just amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to meet her. And so, you know, I'm here at my friend Tiki's home, and I just have I'm surrounded by these amazing people that I get to meet out here and make friends with. And I just wanted to talk to you about the courage that it took for me to go into town and meet someone. And I was tired, and I thought about not going, not because I didn't want to meet Trilby, but just for self-care. But it won out that I wanted to meet her and get to know her and do something different. And my friend David always says that when you say no to something, you're saying yes to something else. And so I want to celebrate too today. We were sad that Tiki couldn't join us, but she didn't join us because she had an upset tummy and needed to do some self-care, and stayed home and rested and is feeling better. But she had to say no to us to do that self-care. And I had to decide for me which to say no to, whether it was to stay home or to go to town. And so I said yes to going to town and continuing the celebration of having my license and meeting Trilby. But now I am saying no to any more socialization today. And Tiki, of course, is okay with that because she understands and needs the same. So there's something else I wanted to share with you that's a little bit embarrassing, but I think you'll identify with this. I hope so. All right, so we get to the restaurant where we had decided for the 3 of us to go, and Trilby and I decided we'd rather have Mexican food. And so we get up and we go and we leave, and we go to the Mexican food restaurant. And she goes, "Oh, just hop in with me." And I was parked in the van kind of out in the parking lot pretty far away. So I said, "Sure." So we're leaving the parking lot, you guys. And I'm like, "Trilby, can you stop?" And so she stops at the stop sign. I'm like, "I need you to go back and take me to my van." I was just getting all uptight and anxiety and about to have a panic attack leaving Fancy Free in a parking lot that I didn't know. Now I know that Tiki and Trilby live here, and it's a nice neighborhood, and it probably wasn't in danger, but it's mine and Robert's home. It's everything we own, and I just couldn't. I was having an anxiety attack leaving it behind. So I had to say no to riding with her, and yes to the security and peace that I needed. So it's a day in the life of a nomad, and you guys get to meet Trilby in more depth soon, and I'm really excited about that. And it's also life about being courageous. There used to be a thing about the phone. Nowadays everybody has smartphones, but back in the day when you had to pick up the receiver and dial, I'm dating myself, but back in the day when you had to pick up a receiver and dial, there was this thing about a 50-pound phone, because nobody wanted to do it when you're feeling bad, right? Or when you're isolating, because for whatever reason, and you have to reach out to somebody. It's sometimes the hardest thing in the world to do, to make yourself do those things. And so it reminded me today of the old 50-pound phone thing. So what have you said no to that also meant you were saying yes to what? What is it you said no to that meant you were saying yes to something else, and what was that something else? Please be sure and share it, and I hope everyone is having a great day. We're getting geared up for the To Meander live chat tonight. Robert will be the one on camera, and I'll be typing because we can't figure out how to both be when we're traveling separate like this, to do a live chat together. But I'll be on there, and so I'll be typing along with the rest of you. Anyway, everybody, I hope you're having a great day. We'll see you down the road.